Introducing the Waldent Flexigum Heavy Body, a silicone impression material, is known for its exceptional detail reproduction and dimensional stability. Its unique formulation allows for a smooth, creamy consistency that flows easily into the sulcus and around tooth preparations, capturing the finest details. Coming on to the features of Waldent Flexigum Heavy Body. Exceptional hydrophilicity for precise impressions, combined with a light body for high detail reproduction, good mixing quality to avoid bubbles, high dimensional stability for reliable results, stable even after disinfection procedures, suitable working and setting time ensure high clinical efficiency. Now coming on to the operating instructions, single impression technique. Begin by injecting the Flexigum heavy body material onto the tray. Proceed to take the impression using the prepared tray. It allows an adequate working time of 2 minutes. Carefully and accurately place the tray with the heavy body into the patient's mouth. Once the material is fully set, delicately remove the tray, ensuring a smooth and precise impression. Double impression technique. Begin by injecting Flexigum heavy body material onto the tray. Gently place the tray with the heavy body material into the patient's mouth, ensuring it is accurately positioned in a single step. Let the material solidify completely. Carefully withdraw the tray from the patient's mouth. After removing the tray, inject the light body material around the hardened heavy body impression. Its thinner consistency helps capture fine details and contours. Ensure that the light body material covers all the detailed areas. Allow it to set. Once the material is set, carefully remove the tray. That's all for today. Please like, share, and comment for more informative videos.